Okay, look how cool we are. Look, we're watching Phineas and Ferb like all cool people do.
Yeah,
And guess what? I found my SpongeBob hat.
I am going. Let's go get my hat.
It's on the floor right here.
It is?
Yeah. It's like,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Hey, guess what, David?
Wait,
Can I get through? Go ahead.
I can't. Hold on.
That's right. You can't cop it. JK, I'm fine. Oh no, he's got real BBs. Dude, no, you can't shoot in the house. My mom will kill me. I won't. What? Yes, she will.
Oh, wait, this is yours.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. The magazine sucks.
Oh, okay. We'll switch guns.
Okay, so Gady should be coming around the corner any second, and he has to go through the fence, so he shouldn't come very fast. But I just chased him around the house, and we're playing Airsoft. So, oh crap, here he comes. I think I won. Well, that was fun.
I'm okay.
Dude, wait, do you have any, like, welts on the back of your legs?
Probably. Ow.
Dude, let me see.
Look. You shot me like right there.
Dude, you look like you have, like, chicken pox on your leg.
Oh man, that hurt. Alright, see you later.